This is four-square volleyball, and it's basically the four-square game, but using volleyball skills, so setting, serving, bumping. This is for grades 5 to 8, and you're going to need a volleyball. So here we have our four square setup, our court, and players in each one of those squares to start, with the extra players along the edge. Now if you have too many extra players, just have separate games going on other squares so that people aren't standing around too long. Okay, so in the game starts, the ball starts in the king square. Now the king square is the highest ranking square where people are going to try and get to. So if we look at our rotation here, purple is square 1, then red is square 2, green is square 3, and then yellow is square 4, the king square. So if a player makes a mistake, they have to leave their square and it becomes filled by the next person in line. So we'll see here in an example. So the king's going to start by serving it, a light serve, then a bump or a set, and purple player made a mistake there, so purple player is out. Purple player will go to the end of the line, and the next player comes in, and then it resets. So the king gets the ball again and makes a serve to whoever he chooses. So it went to green, and green's made a mistake right away. So green player will then go to the end of the line, and now red will rotate and fill that spot, blue will fill that spot, and brown will come in and fill that spot. So that's the way the rotations work. And basically, anytime somebody makes a mistake, they've got to exit the square, and the next person fills in, and so on and so forth. So yeah, if a player hits the ball out, or if it's a bad bump or something, then they have to leave the square. And that's it for this game.